Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting both devices on the same local network. That is essential. Once done, enable the TV's media sharing or DLNA option so it can see other devices. Install a simple media server app on your PC or phone. This is the only reliable way to serve files to most smart TVs. Make sure the server points to the folder you want to share and set permissions to allow playback. This gets you from setup into active sharing immediately. Now configure the server so the TV can read your files smoothly. Point the server to the exact folders you want to share and exclude private or system folders to avoid clutter. Adjust transcoding. Choose hardware when available for 4K or high bitrate files, otherwise use software for compatibility. Check the server's network access and, if needed, allow it through your firewall or antivirus. Once the server advertises itself, your TV will detect the library. On the TV, open the media player and select the DLNA or server name. Browse folders and play a file. If playback stutters, switch to a lower bitrate or a different container format. This fixes most codec issues. If the TV doesn't see the server, restart the media server app, reboot the router, and power cycle the TV. Make sure there aren't IP conflicts or blocked ports. One key tip: enable SMB or UPnP on both devices if DLNA discovery fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.